हेलो क्लास, गुड मॉर्निंग। हेलो, आवाज आ
गुड
रही?
मॉर्निंग।
हेलो।
आ रही है।
Okay. So today now we will start the unit 4. Uh, unit 3 is almost done. So now we will discuss about the unit 4 content, that is basically network layer. ठीक है, तो हम लोग नेटवर्क लेयर से रिलेटेड डिस्कशन यहाँ पे करेंगे. That is another layer of the OSI model, and this particular type of layer basically my my voice is getting to all of you. My voice is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. If there any issue, kindly respond me. Okay, so those who have joined instantaneously, I am just telling you that I am going to start the unit 4, that is network layer protocol, basically. So before going to start, we just want to give you an overview that this is another OSI layer which exactly consists how, which exactly tells about that how we can route a packet or datagram from one end to another end. Suppose we have a source end and another is destination end. Clear? So